LLC operate in multiple states? Yes. An LLC can operate in more than one state, but it must be properly registered in each state where it does business. This is done by filing as a foreign LLC in those additional states. For example, if you form your LLC in Texas, but later open an office in Florida, you'll need to register as a foreign LLC in Florida. Each state has its own fees, forms, and requirements. You'll also have to maintain good standing in every state where you operate, which means filing reports and paying fees in each one. This structure allows you to expand legally, but it also adds costs and complexity. Many small business owners prefer to start in their home state first, then expand later when the business grows. Zen Business can file your foreign LLC registrations in multiple states and manage the paperwork so you don't miss deadlines. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.